So hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are here to learn how to install SQLite Studio on our Windows 11. So basically what you have to do is follow these steps. Open your web browser. So after opening your web browser, just type here SQLite Studio, download, press click on it. You can see that in search box result, the SQLite Studio. Just click on this link and you can see this link of SQLite Studio.pl, which is very official page. So now go to your download folder. It will just take you up on GitHub file, and what we have to do, just select this file and just click on it and download this zip folder. Save it. Okay, you can see that our zip folder has been opened here. So what we will going to do, we will going to open our file explorer. What we are going to do, just open your C drive, program files, and just add new folder. Name it SQLite Studio. Okay, so you can see that our folder of SQLite Studio has been opened here. Now we will just go to our desktop, open this file and just cut it or just extract it file from here, and we will just browse the location. Now go to your C drive, program files, and you can see here, select this folder which we have just created before. So now extract all the files here, just give permission and click on continue button. So you can see extracting is on process. So our file has been extracted successfully. Just click on it and you can see that this following extension allow you to open direct this studio from your desktop as a shortcut. Just click on clicking the extension, you can see that our studio has been opened here, so where you can do connect many databases. That's it for the video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe.